Hello everyone, there are 5 powerful Windows commands that you absolutely need to know. So let's dive straight in. The first step, launching command prompts in admin mode every time. Click on the Windows search icon, type cmd, right-click command prompt, and then select Run as Administrator. But what if you could automate this step forever? Click on the Windows search icon again and type cmd, right-click command prompt, and then click on Open File Location. Right-click the command prompt shortcut, then you click on Properties. Head down and click on Advanced, and then enable Run as Administrator. Click on OK, click on Apply, then OK. And from now on, command prompt will always open in beast mode. No extra clicks needed. Next, let's make folders completely invisible. Want a folder to vanish completely? Use this command. Open File Explorer, and then head to the directory of the folder. I'll be using the credentials folder on my desktop, so I'll just head to desktop in my File Explorer, and then I'll head to the address bar and then click on it. Next, type cmd, then press enter on your keyboard. Once the command prompt opens, type in this command. Type attrib space +h space +s space +r space, and then you enter the folder name. So I'll go ahead and enter credentials. Then you press enter when you are done. As you can see, the credentials folder has completely gone invisible, even from the searches as well. To bring it back, just reverse the command. Type attrib space, this time all the positive signs will turn into negative. -h space -s space -r space, then you add the folder name, which is still credentials. Then you press enter. As you can see, the folder is back. It's very simple and easy. Next up, see your entire system's info. Get a full report on your computer specs instantly. Click on the Windows search icon and type in cmd. Run it as administrator. Click yes. Now type systeminfo. Then you press enter on your keyboard. This will review your Windows BIOS version, BIOS info, installed updates, and many more. Next, let's open cmd in any folder instantly. Need a command prompt right where you are? No problem. In File Explorer, click the address bar and then type cmd. Hit enter. Command prompt opens right there. Also, need to open Explorer from cmd. Just type explorer space dot, then you press enter. And your current directory pops open in File Explorer. Now the last step, to see your full command prompt history, type doskey space / history, then you press enter on your keyboard. Every command you've ever typed logged right there. It's quite simple and easy. That's the end of this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. See you in the next video.